SUZHOU Pharma Machinery Company Limited supply clean room for sale and clean room equipment to global market. We are a manufacturer of modular clean room with over 500 completed projects. All of our clean room lab is custom-made for your specific needs. Recently, our company had a detailed discussion about pharmacy clean room with customers from Uzbekistan to understand requirements of customers, provide them the most reasonable design. Our team of specialists will advise and support you from the initial design of your clean room through the commissioning process. We design, build, and install modular buildings for specific applications on a worldwide basis. We offer turnkey solutions with our complete engineering, design, and manufacturing capabilities. SUZHOU Pharma is known for its high-quality products, on-time delivery, competitive pricing, and excellent customer support. Welcome, follow and contact us.